How to book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually book hotels in booking.com without a credit card. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to book hotels in booking.com, all you have to do is simply open up the specific app and then just search for a room and the date and the location. Then just click on the search button. You'll be able to see a list of available properties that you can actually stay at. And if the property actually mentions no prepayment needed, because it depends upon the property, right? Because if the property has prepayment needed, then you have to pay in advance. But if it says no prepayment needed, because you'll see at the bottom, which means that you can book now and then you can pay later when you visit the hotel. That's how it works. So you have to select the one that says no prepayment needed, so which could be this or this or whatever else you prefer. So just select a specific time and a specific hotel that you want to book. So here you can see it says no credit card needed. So if it says credit card needed, that is basically some of the list of available hotels. But if it says not, then that's just your luck. Then you can just book it without a credit card. Click on select rooms and then select the booking and then just click on reserve in order to book hotels in booking.com without credit card. That is it for this video on how you can book hotels on booking.com without a credit card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.